superior PCBs. AI is also transforming the manufacturing of PCBs. AI algorithms can analyze manufacturing data in real time. This helps identify potential defects and optimize production processes. One area where AI is making a significant impact is in yield improvement. By analyzing data from sensors and inspection systems, AI can identify patterns that lead to defects. This allows manufacturers to make adjustments to the production process and reduce scrap rates. AI-powered vision systems can inspect PCBs for defects with high accuracy. This reduces the reliance on manual inspection, which is often time-consuming and prone to errors. The result is higher quality PCBs and reduced manufacturing costs. Section 5. AI-driven testing, ensuring quality and speed. Testing is a critical stage in the PCB production process. It ensures that the final product meets the required specifications and quality standards. AI is playing an increasingly important role in PCB testing. AI-powered testing systems can analyze large datasets from various test instruments. They can then identify anomalies and potential defects that might be missed by traditional testing methods. This leads to more comprehensive and reliable testing, ensuring higher product quality. AI-driven testing also enables faster time to market. This is because it can significantly reduce the time required for testing and debugging. With AI, manufacturers can bring their products to market more quickly and gain a competitive edge. Section 6. The ethical dimension of AI in PCB design. While the benefits of AI in PCB design are significant, there are also ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI automates tasks previously performed by humans, there is a risk that some jobs may be lost. Another concern is the need for human oversight. While AI systems can perform many tasks autonomously, it is crucial to have human engineers involved in the design and manufacturing process to ensure that ethical considerations are taken into account. It's important to remember that AI is a tool. It can be used for good or for ill. It is up to us as a society to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically in the field of PCB design. This includes investing in education and training programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market.